Hi, welcome to Don's Workshop. This is part 9 of my Dune Atreides Royal Ornithopter build. So what we did last time is we got these landing gear on the front, all connected, and as well as these side ones. So that was pretty neat, and they just pop right out like that. And it's nice strong landing gear. Anyway, let's continue, get into this part. Okay, let's get started here. We're making a minifig here. We got black shirt, black pants. We've got this base with a stud, this trans clear dish here. And we are putting that right in there. And then this piece, oh, that's a neat piece. I think that's to put on a backpack for a minifig anyway. Putting it on this way. And we're standing that right on top there. And we're putting on this big cape for the Baron. We'll put the side ones on first, I guess. And then that middle one, and everything should be all folded up, I think. And grab his head. And get the Baron's head on here. There we go. This big crazy cape. Guess it's gonna have to just kind of fold down like that. But yeah, there's the Baron. I need to move this way. Okay. Now we gotta build 2 of these things. Okay, start with a yellow axle and the axle pin connector. Okay. And we're hooking a 1x1 beam in there and another connector. Now I need 2 of these to go on here. They go this way and this way. And this side and this one. Okay. And then this one has to go on this side. Got a feeling it says 1 of 2, so let's continue with that. And then I put this in here. Yeah, it's just a little bit too far in with the axle. Stick that axle through that axle connection there and the hole. And we have a ball joint. And on this end, put a collar, 1x1 beam. And an axle is going in right there. That's 1 of the 2. Oh, I see. They didn't make let me do it. Wrong. And it's the same direction. Okay. Doesn't really matter, I suppose. And that goes. There we go. Push through there. Okay, get it pushed through. There we go. And ball joint. And the 1x1 beam. Oh, one more axle to put in here. Okay, there's the two. And they go on this side. Okay. How is this showing? I need to put one up. It's showing put it up. Put it up so it's sticking out like this. And where am I pushing up? Oh, it goes into that axle, into that hole there. Oh, okay, there we go. I'm pushing the axle up into the hole there. There we go. If that's correct, it's just falling down, but, and then that would mean that goes like that. Same thing. Axle goes into that hole. There we go. Okay, and then I take two of these connectors and I hook the red ball joint that's down there onto the top one, and it looks like it's the gray ball joint from down here, and that goes to the bottom one. There we go. Okay, we gotta make two for the other side. Looks like we're gonna be making a few of these. And just get that on there. There we go. And the axles. This one goes this way. No. Get through that one first. And that one. And ball joint up there. And the collar or the beam there, and one more axle there. So and we just do it again. I can put that there, put that there. And then we put the in this way. There we go. And ball joint. And the collar, and then the axle. Okay, now those go on, they go on the back one, but they face up. And that way. Okay. And then take these, hook them up to there, and there. There we go. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Putting this on a plate tile, and that is supposed to kind of cover up back here. And we do that with another tile and a black plate up here. There we go. I guess that could be a problem, but we'll see. Okay, doing it again. I just make 4 of these. Because I'm pretty sure that's what I need. Just hook all these on here. And just skip through the instructions a bit. Pretty sure 2 go one way, 2 go the other. Oh, did I just make 3? Oops. Get them all popped together here. Axle. Just put all 4 of them together. Then can quickly pop them on. Okay. Here's my two go one way and 2 go the other way. If I there we go. And 2 would go the other way. Oh, I guess whatever. It's just where the ball joints go. That's the main difference. Look at these 2. Okay. Now these 2 showing these two go on to the front one on this side. Knock the seat out again. Okay, so they go facing down. And then these go on the red ball joint and the gray ball joint. And go. Yeah, then I just hook these up like this. And the axle pins back there. And just get that. And put them on this way. Ball joints go up, and there we go. And then hook that on there. And the gray one on the bottom. Oops. There we go. Ooh, look at that. Okay, I got the pieces to connect here on the side. And this one. Okay. That's all done. There we go. Okay, that has been part 9 of my Dune Atreides Royal Ornithopter build. This time we put these connections for the wings on and got that all connected, and the mechanism for pushing them out and folding them in. So that is pretty neat. Works quite nicely. Anyway, if you want to see more, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and take it easy.